Assalamualaikum fragrance enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel and a True Club. Today, we are diving into the sophisticated world of Aventus Cologne, a modern legend crafted by a creed that's perfect for discerning individuals. Let's explore why this scent is must have in your collections. Both Aventus Cologne and the original Creed Aventus are celebrated for their unique olfactory compositions. However, they cater to slightly different tastes and occasions. Let's talk about some history. From the house of Creed Aventus, Cologne is the separated younger siblings of the iconic Aventus of fragrance. It is designed to exude vitality, style, and undeniable charm, making it a versatile companion for any occasions. The Aventus Creed Cologne is a battle masterpiece of luxury and elegance. Its sleek design is as sophisticated as the fragrance it houses, exudes a sense of power and refinement. The combinations of the polished black cap, the iconic silver crest, emblem, and the bold transparency of the glass showcases a timeless charm that appeals to the composers of fine scents. Every detail of the bottle whispers exclusivity and class, make it not just a vessel but a statement piece for those who appreciate the finer things in a life. Let's talk about the original bottle of Aventus Creed. This is known for its sleek and sophisticated design, reflecting the luxury and prestige associated with Creed fragrances. Here are some features of the authentic bottle of Aventus Creed. Let's talk about the bottle designs and its style. The bottle is sleek and sophisticated, featuring a frosted glass finish. It gives its modern yet timeless look. It has the signature Creed and emblem embossed, showcasing the brand's heritage and luxury appeal. Aventus Cologne bottle often figures a gradient from the clear to grey, symbolizing freshness and depth, which mirrors the fragrance's characters. The iconic Creed logo and detailing are presented in metallic accents, adding a touch of refinement. The bottle cap is saturated metallic and engraved with Creed logo, emphasizing attention to detail and quality. The fragrance comes in a textured, high-quality cardboard box. The box is embossed with Creed final crest and includes all product detail, giving it a premium feel. Let's talk about something more about this cologne. So, what does Aventus Cologne smells like? Let me break it down for you. It opens with a vibrant burst of mandarin ginger and a pink pepper, an invigorating start that's both fresh and spicy. Then it settles into a heart of a patchouli, sandalwood, and vetiver, rich earthy notes that exude confidence. Finally, the dry down leaves you with a base of a musk bridge and tonka bean, giving it a warm and elegant finish. The scent of a Creed Aventus is legendary, a harmonious blend of power and sophistication. Its intoxicating aroma opens with a vibrant notes of a pineapple and blackcurrant, evoking confidence and allure. As it unfolds, smoky birch and sensual jasmine add depth, while a luxurious base of oak moss and musk leaves an unforgettable trail. Aventus is not just a fragrance, it's an emblem of ambition. This fragrance is not just about smelling good, it is about making a statement whether you are at a formal event or enjoying a casual evenings. Aventus Cologne adopts beautifully, leaving lasting impressions. Let's talk about some fragrance profile. Aventus Black Cap Original Aventus launched in 2010. Its style is very bold, this is very powerful and iconic. Its notes are top notes pineapple, bergamot, blackcurrant apple. Middle notes are witch, patchouli, jasmine rose, and the base notes are oak moss, ambergris, vanillas, and musk. Let's talk about Aventus Cologne Silver Cap. This fragrance launched in 2018. Its style is very fresh, modern, and versatile. Its top notes are ginger, mandarin, orange, pink, and pepper. The middle notes are patchouli, sandalwood, vetiver, and the base notes are musk, witch, tonka beans, styrex. A scent, a fresher, lighter interpretation of an Aventus designed for casual wear and versatility. And let's not to forget the longevity and projections are exceptional. A few sprays will keep you feeling fresh and confident all day long. Ready to experience allure of Aventus Cologne? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more fragrance reviews. Until next time, stay stylish, stay confident. Original Aventus kit, perfect for making a strong impressions, and for Aventus where sophistication is a key. Aventus Cologne, ideal for everyday use, particularly in a warm weather or for those who enjoy a fresher take on the Aventus DNA. Both fragrances are exceptional in their own right, and the choice depends on personal performances, preferences, and associations. Thank you so much for hearing me, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.